So this is the new 1 month old BMW X6 3.0 3-liter diesel engine. I'm driving this car for about now 6,000 kilometers 1 month. I need to say it's a really great car. It's with a M package, panorama roof, everything. Yeah, it's a great SUV. Only what I don't like in the back, headspace is not so great, but typically BMW X6. Yeah, fuel economy. What do we have now? 8.6 liters. The last 5,800 kilometers. I don't know if you can see it because I'm filming with the camera on my head, with the GoPro, because I don't know how to cut videos and all of that. Yeah, it's a great car, nice acceleration, has around 540 Newton meter of torque. Top speed, I driven this car, top speed 225 kilometers per hour. But the sound of the car is also good. I don't know if you can hear it now. I'm going to accelerate. Of course, I'm not driving full throttle now because we have a lot of traffic. But my recommendation would be, if you buy X6, I will buy 4-liter diesel. Because I think for this car, this 3-liter engine, okay, of course they are all 3 liters, but this is with 275 horsepower, I think. For my opinion, it's weak. It's good, but not amazing. Oh, we have more Newton meter, 720. Yes, but the quality is great from the car. The car is black inside, black outside. And as like I said, I don't know how to cut videos. I need to learn that, so I can film the car outside. Thank you, I hope you enjoyed.